Well, hello. So we talked today about how to take care of your skin under a mask. And I will be getting into that a lot more because I just said a lot of things and they came out of my mouth and I realized, how can anybody keep track of what I'm talking about? But if there's one thing I missed during this strange and dumpster fire time, it's the mani-pedi. But for me, the mani-pedi was more about the exfoliation and getting my little dry hooves covered and moisturized, you know. So this video is kind of half Pink Prepper, half Mary Kay, half here's what our life is like now. But we're gonna be okay. So here's what I'm about to do. I'm about to do a mani-pedi moisture treatment on my hands and my feet at the same time, and I'm gonna sit there for 20 minutes. No, you're not gonna see that part, but I wanna show you what can be done, they're watching the Cubs game, with the satin hand set. I mean, this is the regular old satin hand set. And yes, highly recommend you have one of those to have on your sink to make, you know, to treat your skin after all that washing. I highly recommend that. It's a great set. But we're also gonna add the mint and the Mint Bliss energizing lotion for feet and legs. And we're gonna do one of those treatments in which we're gonna really take about 20, maybe 30 when I'm feeling fancy, minutes to let the feet and hands really get that moisture in. Okay, so this, I didn't want to put it on the title with the climate, but this is really redneck spa. It is. It really is. But I want you to know it's going to get raw for a take. So I've got some kitchen towels down here. I think one's from like when cleaned a car engine. And I am going to put, they're in the bathtub in the warm water, and I'm going to put a little eucalyptus and lavender on there because it's the smells of the spa that always get me. Do you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it's hard right now. We're having to do things to take care of ourselves. We're having to really put that forward. Oh, the other part of having a redneck spa is you have to have many dogs in the bathroom with you. Check. So, we got that lavender and eucalyptus going. So I'm gonna do, the satin hands is a 3-step process. And it's one that confuses people sometimes. We're gonna put the softening gel on. Oh Lordy, that smells so good. The softening gel, and not gonna rinse it off, but then put the Shea Smoothie Scrub on it. And I just realized I'm gonna try to keep y'all from looking up my moo-moo, unless you're into that, and that gross. Don't do that. So, here I go, 1 foot. Gonna get that, and work that in, work it in, but the heat's gonna work it in too. I'm excited about that. So we're gonna work that in, then I'm gonna put the scrub on. Oh yeah, get that scrub on. So the idea is you're exfoliating but working moisture in as well. So what's next? The kitchen towel, a chip clip, and an HEB bag. We're keeping it real here at the Madison house tonight. I don't know how to fold those things all fancy, do you? Okay, I hope I don't fall into the bathtub. This will be really fun for y'all if that happens. All right, I got this couch towel. Okay, wrapping, and see, I don't know how to do the wrapping of the fancy, so that's why I took a chip clip off of the refrigerator. Fancy. Okay, so there it is, and I'm gonna just, ooh, I can match the chip clip. Oh, that's gonna be hard to walk. Oh well, who needs to walk? And then, so that I can walk to a chair, I'm taking the HEB bag and wrapping it around my foot. This is living right here, babies. It really is. So that is set. Oh yeah, it's just gonna bake right in. So I'm gonna do the other foot real quick. So we're starting with the softening gel on my dry and crusted hoof. I can't talk price on my personal page, but I will say that the satin hand set is so affordable. You can do this whenever you want, and it'll still last you a very long time. So you can use this to scrub your hands, but I want you to bear in mind that this is not a disinfectant. This is, we don't want to scrub for, well, you can scrub for 20 minutes with the Shea, but we have something for that. Ooh, here we go. All right. Oh yeah. If you've not tried this, this is so good. And I can still smell the kitchen towels with the eucalyptus and the lavender on. So, gonna wrap that up with the chip clip. And here's one of my dogs. Hi, Sulu. How you doing? Say hello to the interwebbings. Interwebbings, Sulu. He's a chunky boy. He's a rescue. But who was the one that was rescued, really? It was him. It really was him. Okay, so pulling the cup towel out of the bathtub. Oh yeah. Don't eat that. All right, wrapping it around. Still not good at it at all. But, oh yeah, that's terrible. That's not, quit sniffing me there. Quit it. Okay, chip clip. Okay, followed up by the big fancy HEB bag. Oh, that is not gonna stay, but I don't care. It's all wrapped in the bagging. Rock on. So I'm gonna do my hands with the trick that I have for my hands, but I wanted to show you a couple of things to add to your routine if you do wanna disinfect. So the satin body, Shea wash, and yes, hello, and Shea scrub. This will disinfect, it is soap. And then the scrub you can use as well. Now it doesn't have the agent of the softening gel, so get it all if you like. And then the silkening Shea lotion. So if you need a lot more than this, we got you covered. Okay, so we've got the pedicure. Now I'm gonna use the scented water to do my hands. And we can't always, you forget to do, oh wait, not supposed to get them wet. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Don't even need to take the ring off. It's totally fine. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the Shea scrub. And you're gonna get to see me attempt this for the first time. And it could go very wrong. In order to get the hands to get that moisture really in, I'm gonna take gloves. And now I can keep working on my little Google Chromebook tonight. And I'm gonna leave these on for the same amount of time I do that. Now there is the lotion that comes with the satin hands that I will put on my hands after I rinse this off. But what I'm gonna put on my legs and feet is the Mint Bliss Energizing Lotion for feet and legs. I'm not gonna put it on my hands because sometimes getting the mint near your eyes is no fun. But here I am, guys. Also, I have absolutely no idea if I can turn this off with a gloved hand. We're gonna find out, aren't we? So I'm gonna sit 20 minutes and then I'm gonna apply the Shea cream to my hands and the mint to the feet and legs and smell the eucalyptus lavender water. So that's it. This is the two main things I do for my redneck spa. And I tell you what, it helps a lot and helps my spirits a lot too. If you want more information, you can go check out my business page, or you can, Amy Nichols Madison Entrepreneur, or you can go to my website, www.marykay.com/Amy Nichols Madison. But I'm gonna go kick the feet up now. You guys have a good night. Oh no.